Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's next cosplay tip, I'm going to show you how to make a very basic gun holster. You can do this with very thick leather if you prefer, which is probably the easiest way. It's less steps. Or what you can do is what I'm going to show you today. I used craft foam and the fabric that I made look like fake leather to cover the outside. It's very easy. You can even sew it if you prefer, but I decided to use hot glue because I don't like to sew unless I have to. So let's get started. Okay, so what you're going to need to make your holster is the gun that you will be using, a folder or like a poster board of thick paper, some craft foam. I only had brown, but you can pretty much use whatever color you want. Leather or any sort of fabric that you want to use on the outside of the holster. And for the inside of the holster, which I'm just going to be using a plain black fabric. Okay, so you're going to start off with your folder. You're going to open it up. And as you can see, I already sketched mine out, but it's really simple to do. What you want to do is you want to find the crease, or if you're using like a poster board, just fold it over and make a crease. You're going to take your gun, kind of line it up with that crease, and fold it over to one side. Okay, so once you do that, what you want to do is, as you can see that I already did, you just want to trace the outline of your gun. Make sure you get the trigger also. Do it again on the other side. So you'll just carefully flip it over, trace it again, and then you'll have the outline. So then what you can do is you can sketch out your holster the way you like it. This is just a very basic one. And what you want to make sure you do is you leave enough room over here, and you want to cover the trigger. So once you have the outline of the holster the way you like it, cut it out. So once you have your template, you're going to want to test to see if the gun fits in it. So as you can see, I drew this and cut it a little too short, but when I transfer it onto the craft foam, I'll just make sure I bring it out a little more. But other than that, it fits well. It covers the trigger, so let's trace it. Once you cut it out, make sure it still works. And since I want it on my right hip, I flipped it over. But it seems to fit in there really well. So what you want to do next is take this and trace it onto your leather or whatever fabric you're using on the outside. Do the same for the inside, or you can just keep it plain. I want to put some black fabric in here, probably not the entire thing, just on the guard here where you're going to see it, because I want the whole thing to be black. So this is actually the leather fabric that I made in my previous tutorial. So I want to trace this entire thing so I can cover the complete back of it. But since I want to kind of wrap the edges inward, I'm just going to trace it a little bigger. Now if you have real leather or you know, even faux leather fabric, you can probably skip the craft foam step. I unfortunately don't have any on hand, and I didn't really want to pay for such a small amount, so I'm doing this and I'm gluing it on there. But next, if you're like me and you want to put something in the inside, you can either sew this, or like I'm gonna do, just hot glue it inside. So for the next part, it's probably gonna be a little tedious, but for the outside, you're gonna wanna glue this on top of the cutout leather fabric, and then you'll want to glue the hem down. Okay, so I hemmed all the edges here. Now, I made a mistake before, and I did wind up putting more leather here instead of fabric just because it looked a little better. But if you're doing it this way with the craft foam and everything, make sure that you don't put this piece on here until after you've hemmed it, just so it kind of hides it. But pretty much it is done, except we have to close up the side here. So slip the gun in here, make sure it all still fits properly, and then what I'm going to do is just glue from like here to here. I'm gonna still leave this open just because it'll give it more flexibility. And there you have it. A very basic holster. You can put any embellishment that you want on it, design it pretty much any way you want it. For this, I will probably put a belt clip back here so I can just wear it at my hip. But yeah, it's that easy. You can be even more simple with the creation and just use a full piece of like thick leather. That would actually be the easiest way to do it, but this is actually a more budget-friendly way. At least for me it was. But there you have it. Slips in and out. There you go. As always, thank you so much for watching. To those who have subscribed, a big thank you. You have no idea how much I appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, please feel free to click the subscribe button. Also click the thumbs up button if you like this little cosplay tip. There will be more in the future. Until next time, bye.